Big news in the drone world, the FAA recently granted Texas-based drone builder Hylio a regulatory exemption that will allow it to swarm its heavy-lift drones in the field with only one operator in control. Hylio co-founder and CEO Arthur Erickson says the development was a case of regulations catching up with existing technology and promises a threefold increase in productivity for drone operators applying material to crops, plus a significant reduction in their labor requirements.
If the drone was over 55 pounds, which most of these crop input drones are, they're in like the 300, 400, 500 pound range at this point. If the drone was over 55 pounds, you would need not only just a pilot per drone, but also a second person, which was called the visual observer. So it's kind of ludicrous. If you had 3 drones out in an operation, you would need 6 people, which is counter to the entire logic of drones, right? They're called drones for a reason, meaning they go fly autonomously. You would want to force multiply what a single operator could do and have them use multiple drones. So the law is finally caught up to the logic of the technology. And so it's one operator now able to command 3 drones. So one person, 3 drones, instead of one drone doing 50 acres per hour, now you have 50 acres per hour times 3, 150 acres per hour per operator is legally possible. It's a huge jump. I mean, the math is simple, right? It's a 3x boost in productivity.
Now, currently the exemption only applies to Hylio and its drone products, but Erickson says the FAA will soon codify a general set of requirements to include other drone manufacturers. For more information on this big story, head to precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.